all you're getting on your hair is good nutrients and good vitamins and other minerals that the hair is getting. So it's over time that this works. Every time that you use it, your hair gets better, and if you can retain your length, if you can stop all the damages that is going on in your hair that the rice water minerals can help with. Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Today's video is going to be about how I use my fermented rice water from the last video that I did. Left this rice water out for 72 hours after I left it out for 24 hours. So total of 4 days fermentation on this one, and after that I did put it in the fridge. My hair is washed. If you want to see my hair wash routine, I'm going to link it somewhere over there. Today's wash though, I use xoxo like the way I normally will use it, and I did apple cider rinse on my hair. I'm going to tell you the difference between this fermented rice water and the 24 hours fermented rice water that I used on my last hair video. So this, I can tell you, it's quite different from the other one. This fermentation, because it took longer, it pretty much stinks. So the smell, it's pretty bad. I remember last time I used the 24 hours fermentation rice water, I kept saying the smell is not bad. Now I see what everybody is talking about with this fermentation. If you want to see how I made this rice water, please go check that video out, and I'm going to leave that video right here too. Because it stinks, I am not going to be using spray bottle in this video because I am in my beauty room and I do not want this place to be smelly. It's going to smell. I do have some plug-in, and I'm going to open the window after I'm done. I am going to be using this applicator bottle to apply it to my hair. I do not want it to be splashed everywhere. And last time when I did the rice water rinse, I did not use a towel. Today I am going to be using an old towel to put it right there because it's just smell. Like I said, I already washed my hair. It's not dry. If you look at it, the water is draining out of it. If you look at it, still got some water in it, more like moist than anything. I am gonna be dividing my hair into 4. Now make sure the towel is really covered so I wouldn't have water dripping on my floor. So this is the rice water, the fermented rice water. For this wash, I did not do pre-poo because I kind of think if I do pre-poo, my hair might still have oil in it, that the rice water might not be effective. My hair is pretty stripped right now. That really feel good. I can see that's really good. Just beginning. It smells pretty bad. Just making sure that I have it in every strand. So sorry about that. I'm using my viewfinder to pretty much see what I'm doing. My hair really It feels good. By the way, I've been doing a lot of research about this rice water. As stupid as my sound, I kind of believe in it. I know. I don't know if that's, I don't know. This is my last wash for my 6-month no chemical hair challenge. I'm kind of happy that I'm using this because this is going to be part of my hair routine now. And put that to the side and keep going to the rest of the head. The rice water is supposed to work over time. All you're getting on your hair is good nutrients and good vitamins and other minerals that the hair is getting. So it's over time that this works. Every time that you use it, your hair gets better, and if you can retain your length, if you can stop all the damages that is going on in your hair that the rice water minerals can help with. This is the reason why people are saying it's good. This is the reason why this works for people that uses this in Asia. So I will continue to use this. If I see any problem with my hair, I am gonna stop it, but so far I am not seeing anything, and this is the second time of me using it. I'm done. Actually, I did not really use a lot. I used like 2 ounces. I'm gonna return it back in the fridge, massaging my scalp. Not that that is necessary. I'm just trying. I am gonna put on my shower cap. I'm gonna wrap my hair with my towel. I'm gonna do some things around the house for like about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'm gonna go rinse it. I feel like my hair is softer. It's nothing major, but I just feel like my hair is more manageable. I don't know. Even just touching it right now, it's softer. It's softer. It feels better to the hand. My hair always feels good every time I wash it with my routine, but without doing all that and oil and everything, I felt like I can feel something. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.